Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about a reserved keyword for C++ that is called break. So basically, when we would like to exit the loop in certain conditions, we are going to use this keyword. Or when a certain condition is met by the program, we just want to tell the program if this condition is met, okay, stop the execution and just exit the program. So in these cases, we are going to use this break keyword. Here I have an example to illustrate the usage of the break keyword. So we would like to write a program that gets input numbers from the user, and this getting input numbers from the user is going to continue until the user enters -1. When the user enters the number -1, we are going to break the program. It means that the program is going to continuously ask the user enter a number, enter a number, enter a number, and the user is going to continuously enter different numbers. However, when the user enters -1, it is a sign for us based on this program. It is a sign for us that, okay, the condition is met. Let's exit the program. Let's stop the execution. Therefore, we use the break keyword. Let me illustrate it with an example. So here we are initializing an integer. We are declaring it. And then we are telling the user enter numbers and type -1 in case you would like to stop. And then we are writing an infinite loop here, which is using while loop and the condition is true. So as long as the condition is true, it is going to repeat this while loop. And in the while loop, we are going to store the number that is given by the user. And if the entered number by the user equals -1, break the program. We use the break. So exit the loop if -1 is entered. And if not, if any other number is entered, just print out the number that entered by the user. And when we are out of the while loop, please just print loop ended. Let me run the code and we see the details. Okay, enter numbers. So I ran the program. We are now here. It is executing enter numbers, type -1 to stop. Exactly this line. Okay, I would say 20. It says you entered 20. And again, it is waiting for me to write another number. I would say again 20. It says you entered 20. I would say 12. It says you entered 12. 15, 17, 18, 22. Whatever you put here, it is going to continuously ask from you that give me a number unless I type -1. So when I type -1, it says loop ended. Why? Because when I type number 1 is stored using this line and it checks to see if the entered number equals -1 or not. In this case, it is equal, then it's going to break. When it breaks, we get out of this loop and it is going to print loop ended. So this is how we use the break keyword in C++, and generally it is very useful in different programs that we are going to practice in the future. Whenever a certain condition is met, okay, get out of the loop, get out of this if else condition. It is very useful for us. So it's it is good to start using it whenever it is possible, so you get used to its usage and you get comfortable with the syntax and the way to use the break function and to see if you're doing everything correctly or not. Therefore, please practice this exercise yourself as well and try to write this program several times so you can exactly remember when and how you need to use the break keyword. Thank you for watching.